These are the elevators at Pier 40, downtown Manhattan, New York City. That one says Otis on the track. That one doesn't. These were originally Otis. I believe Gotham modernized these a couple years ago. We're getting this one first, with the unmarked door track. Go to 3. Here we are at 3. Back down to 1. Here, back at 1. Button goes out. Go to 3, getting cabby on the way up. Rather large but plain elevator. Capacity on both of these is 5,000. Here we are at 3. Back to 1 and switch elevators there. I believe these used to have the black buttons. Here we are back at 1, or lobby, whatever you desire. We're going to set you up to 3. There goes that one. And here's this one. This one says Otis on the track. The other one doesn't. Go up to 3. Here we're back at 3. Back down to 1. Here you're back at 1, or lobby. Clearly see it says Otis on the track. Not going to get a cabby on that one because that one is pretty similar to the other one.